Want to study at one of the top medical colleges in the US? In this video, I want to share the top 10 medical colleges in the US. Number 10 on this list is Yale University. Yale Medicine School is a leading center for biomedical research, advanced clinical care, and inspired medical education. Yale provides residents and fellows advanced training in 75 specialty areas from genetics, neuroscience, pathology, pediatrics, and a lot more. Yale School of Medicine offers numerous degree and joint degree programs. The majority of students at the school earn a Doctor of Medicine MD degree, with about 20% of these students applying for joint MD and PhD degree. Yale School of Public Health, which is a part of Yale School of Medicine, offers a variety of graduate degree programs in public health, as well as joint degree programs with other Yale professional schools. Other degree programs offered along with MD are MPH, MS, and PhD. The application deadline is October 15th and the tuition fees is about $65,000. Medical school accepts pre-medical courses from the US, UK, or Canadian colleges or universities, so you must complete your pre-medical courses from these countries. Courses in science with knowledge of physics, chemistry, biology, biochemistry are required in most medical schools. On number 9 is University of Pennsylvania Medical School. As the nation's first medical school and home to the first teaching hospital, the School of Medicine has a long tradition of academic excellence and scientific discovery. Penn provides residents and fellows advanced training in multiple specialty areas such as cancer biology, genetics, neuroscience, radiology, pediatrics, and a lot more. Students can earn MD, PhD, Master's, dual degree, or postdoctoral degrees. Students can double up on degrees at any school at Penn, such as highly ranked Wharton School. There are also certificate programs in areas like global health, women's health, and aging. The application deadline is October 15th. Its full-time tuition fees is about $60,000. All applicants must have a BS or a BA degree from an accredited college or university in the United States or Canada prior to matriculation. All applicants who receive degrees from foreign institutions are required to complete 1 year of coursework in science at the college or university in the United States before applying for the admission. Non-residents of United States are ineligible for federal or school financial aid programs. On number 8 is University of Washington Medical School. Entering students at the University of Washington School of Medicine are divided into 6 colleges. Each college has its own mentors who counsel students throughout their 4 years in medical school. Students can earn a degree in MD, PhD, or even dual degrees and master's degree. The University of Washington offers 121 accredited council for graduation medical education and 4 council on dental accreditation residency and fellowship programs. Pre-med courses requirements are physics, chemistry, biology, biochemistry, and social science or human condition. Along with this, a GPA of above 3.5 out of 4 and an MCAT above 510 can get you admission to this medical school. The application deadline is October 15th and its full-time tuition fees is about $70,000. On number 7 is Johns Hopkins University. Students at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine learn through the Genes to Society curriculum, which pairs academic with concurrent clinical experience. Every few months, classes break for intersessions, which are week-long special courses focused on simulation and advanced skills. All students are divided into one of the 4 colleges to foster a community feel among students for all 4 years of medical training. Each college has advisors to guide students through medical school courses, research participation, and career selection. Johns Hopkins provides almost every specialty in medicine at the school. Students can earn an MD or a PhD, and there are dual degree programs for MD, Masters of Public Health, MD, MBA through other university departments. Specific pre-medical course requirements are biology, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and humanities, social and behavioral sciences. The application deadline here is October 15th. Its full-time tuition fee is about $60,000. On number 6 on this list is University of California San Francisco Medical School. The medical school offers MD, MPH, and PhD degrees to its students in various specializations. The college also offers a joint degree MD-MS program with UC Berkeley. In addition, the UCSF School of Medicine offers a comprehensive structured post-baccalaureate graduate certificate program designed for individuals who have been unsuccessful in gaining admission to medical school or who have completed the required undergraduate coursework, but feel they need more preparation before initiating the medical school application process. The application deadline is October 15th. Its full-time tuition fees is about $50,000 and application as usual is through MCAS, American Medical College Application System. On number 5 is Stanford University. A leader in biomedical revolution, Stanford Medicine has a long tradition of leadership in pioneering research, creative teaching protocols, and effective clinical therapies. It offers MD, PhD dual degree programs with MD with MS, MD with PhD, MD with MPH, MD with MBA, MD with JD, MD with MPP, and also offers multiple master's level programs for interested students. Stanford also offers various youth programs for high school students, but it is generally restricted to US citizens or residents. The application deadline is October 1st. Its full-time tuition fee is about $65,000 per year, and application as usual is through MCAS, American Medical College Application System. On number 4 is Columbia University Medical School. The school offers a plethora of degree programs with MD, dual degree, and a lot of interesting master's degree programs such as MS in Genetic Counseling, MS in Human Nutrition, MS in Bioethics, etc. Columbia rarely admits individuals from foreign universities, so if you are planning for a medical degree, you must pursue your undergraduate studies from the US or Canada, making sure you complete your pre-med requirements. In fact, this remains the same for most of the medical schools in the US. Columbia University has an application deadline of October 15th and has an average tuition cost per year of about $65,000. On number 3 is Duke University Medical School. Established in 1930, Duke University School of Medicine is the youngest of the nation's top medical schools. A unique curriculum for MD students that allows students to study the core basic sciences for 1 year instead of 2, giving them the opportunity to devote their entire third year to the scholarly research project. Students care for patients during the second year, a full year earlier than their peers. Duke Medical School offers MD, PhD, MS, MHS and doctorate program. It also offers various certificates and training programs as well. The application deadline here is October 15th and the application process is similar to all the other schools on this list, that is through MCAS. The annual tuition cost is about $62,000. On number 2 is New York University School of Medicine. Students in NYU School of Medicine can earn MD, PhD or both via dual degree program. NYU includes 29 academic departments focused on their trifold mission of patient care, research and education. These academic departments offer specializations in almost every field of medicine, pathology, surgery and more. NYU Med students who want to delve deeper into the field can check out the School of Medicine Honors Program, which involves a minimum of 18 weeks of approved scientific research and a thesis. Other academic opportunities include the International Health Program, through which NYU School of Medicine students travel abroad and partake in research, public health initiatives or clinical education initiatives. NYU also offers postdoctoral programs as well, along with other state-of-the-art programs such as Pharmacy Technician Training Program, Surgical Technology Program, Hospitalist Scholars Program. NYU has an application deadline of October 15th and has an average tuition cost per year of about $65,000. And on top of the list at number 1 is Howard University Medical School. Most Howard Medical School or HMS students pursue the Pathway program, in which they study core scientific concepts and build clinical skills early before beginning principal clinical experience in the second year. In pre-clerkship courses, there are no traditional letter grades. Students are graded either satisfactory or unsatisfactory. Students study at the medical school campus in Boston's Longwood medical area and can complete clinicals at affiliated institutions throughout the city. Medical students may also opt for joint degrees like MD, PhD and MD, MBA and can cross-register in courses at other schools within the university, including a highly ranked law school and business school. Students interested in biomedical research career can apply to a Harvard MIT Health Science and Technology program. Students can pursue MD, PhD, master's program and dual degree programs at Harvard. Despite the grueling course load, Harvard Medical School makes sure that its students have fun through events and social groups. Admission to HMS requires completion of pre-med coursework in behavioral sciences, biology, chemistry or biochemistry, physics, mathematics and writing, along with MCAT score of about 515 and above on average. The application is through MCAS and the deadline is October 15th. And that's it for today. Do watch our university-specific videos to know in depth about some of these colleges and to get admission into these best universities. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on career, college admission and personal development.